Well, it's one of those times where I'm in a hurry, we're getting ready to go to class. I've already done this before. This is the vegan meat-free chickenless patties. What I haven't done before is this one right here. This is the flatout at 90 calories. It's flatbread. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it in like a burrito. Okay, so if you want to know, it says basically lay it flat, fill it up, roll it, eat it. And then you'll love it. So right over here, it says there's 6 of these in one container. Each of them contains 90 calories. Total fat is 15 grams. There's no cholesterol. 230 milligrams of sodium. So you do have to be careful about that. Total carbohydrates 22 grams. 10 dietary fibers. No sugar. And 7 grams of protein. So though I am going to be using, there's going to be this right here. It's 270 milligrams of sodium. That's almost 500 milligrams. 230, 200, yeah, it's almost 500 milligrams of salt, which though it is the USDA recommended allowance for salt, I think it's too much salt. So something you might consider maybe eating these alone. But I'm going to roll mine up, and this over here gives 11 grams of protein. So this is going to be a protein mix. It's going to be 7 grams, so it's going to be 18 grams of protein per this meal. Alright, come and see how I put it together.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
I'm really cheating tonight. I only have like 30 minutes before I go to class tonight. I participate in a creative writing class, and I'm going to microwave this. It's going to take almost no time at all to cook it. Let me see, I saw the directions someplace on here. Oh, there they are. So it says, place 1 patty on a microwave plate, cook on high for approximately 45 seconds, carefully flip and add an additional 30 seconds. Patties should be thoroughly but not brown. Well, hopefully that won't happen. It's soy. This is going to be fairly simple. I'm just going to pull this off, separate the seals, take a piece of flatbread out, kind of stuck together, and then we're just going to mix that. That'll be a really fast dinner. Okay, we're waiting for just the last few seconds in the microwave oven. What I've done is I've placed in some Heinz tomato ketchup, trying to get the rest of it out before I put the new bottle out. And then once it's coming out in about 10 seconds from now, then what we'll do next is we're going to roll it in place. Normally I plan out my meals real carefully because I'm vegan, but tonight I just kind of let it get away from me. So tonight I'm just making it. So what I'm doing next is I'm going to be cutting it on top of the sauce, just laying it sideways like this. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to roll this like this. Now normally I would stick this in the oven, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cheat and stick it back in the microwave for about 15 more seconds, and I'm going to eat it. I took a bite out of it and I realized I could have used a little bit more salt, so I recommend that you do that. Again, thanks for watching. This is a quick video on a very fast dinner.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.